Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. A function y equals to f of x is continuous on R. R is about real numbers. The graph of the function y equals to f of x passes through 2 points m and n respectively. It is also known that we have this equation in here. We need to find about this value in here. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the integration from b over 6 to number 0 in here. We know that sine 2x, that's about 2 sine x, cosine x. Now, we can use about integration by substitution. So, I will put about u equal to sine x. If we do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u equals to cosine x dx. Next, we need to change the bounds. So I need to put about s equals to negative b over 6. If I put this value go in here, we can find the value of u. And this one, u will be about negative 1 over 2. When s equal to number 0, because we have the bounds is about number 0 in here. So number 0 go in here, and we got u equals to number 0. And now about sine x, we change by u. This one we change by u. Cosine x with dx, that's it from here. We change by du. Now let's go to the bounds. About negative b over 6. That's it from here. We need to change into negative 1 over 2. Number 0 we keep the same. And now we continue use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to 2u. If we do first derivative for the both sides, we have dt equals to 2 du. dv, I will choose about this one in here. The integration of this one, we have v equals to f of u. So we have t multiplied by v, so we have 2u f of u. And we put the bounds from negative 1 over 2 to number 0 minus dt multiplied by v. So we have number 2, and we have the integration from negative 1 over 2 to number 0. And we have f of u du. And now we put the bounds go in here. We will have about number 2 with number 0, f of number 0. And we have negative number 2 multiplied by negative 1 over 2. F of negative 1 over 2 minus about number 2, and we have the integration from negative 1 over 2 to number 0, f of u du. This one is about 0, because we have number 0 multiplied by this one and this one. That's why you got about 0 in here. Negative number 2 multiplied by negative 1 over 2. You got about positive number 1. So we just have only f of negative 1 over 2. And we have negative number 2 with this interaction. So we know that f of negative 1 over 2, that's this value in here, because this function go through 2 points, so that's the m. So f of negative 1 over 2, you got about number 4. So this one, that's about number 4 in here. About this one, that's about this one. So we have number 5. We calculate about this one. We got about negative number 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.